A bright idea boosting value with light. Recessed lighting can increase property value by up to 20%. That's a fact that gets my attention. In the world of home renovation, smart investments are key. Recessed lighting is more than just a trend, it's a strategic upgrade. This type of lighting instantly adds a touch of modern sophistication. Buyers love the clean look and feel it brings to a space. The magic of hidden illumination. So what makes recessed lighting so special? It's not just about the light itself, but how it transforms the space around it. Recessed lighting, often referred to as can lighting or downlighting, is a type of light fixture that is installed into a hollow opening in the ceiling. When installed, it appears to have light shining from a hole in the ceiling, concentrating the light in a downward direction as a broad floodlight or narrow spotlight. It's all about the magic of hidden illumination. This type of lighting is perfect for creating a clean, modern look in any room. The fixtures themselves are hidden, so all you see is the light they produce. This can make a room feel larger and more open, as there are no bulky fixtures taking up visual space. Unlike traditional pendant lights or chandeliers, recessed fixtures are installed directly into the ceiling. This means they don't intrude into the room, making them ideal for spaces with low ceilings or for creating a minimalist aesthetic. The installation process involves cutting holes into the ceiling, running electrical wiring, and securing the fixtures in place. It's a bit more involved than simply hanging a light fixture, but the results are well worth the effort. This invisible design allows the light itself to take center stage. You can use recessed lighting to highlight specific areas of a room, such as a piece of artwork, a bookshelf, or a seating area. By strategically placing the lights, you can draw attention to the features you want to showcase, while keeping the overall look of the room clean and uncluttered. The result is a clean, uncluttered look that makes any room feel instantly more spacious and airy. Recessed lighting can be used in virtually any room in the house, from the living room to the kitchen, the bathroom to the bedroom. It's a versatile lighting solution that can be tailored to fit the specific needs of each space. Recessed lighting can transform ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones. Imagine walking into a room that was once dark and uninviting and seeing it bathed in a warm, welcoming glow. The right lighting can completely change the mood and feel of a space, making it more comfortable and inviting. Imagine a hallway bathed in a warm, inviting glow. Recessed lighting can be used to create a sense of continuity and flow throughout your home. By using the same type of lighting in different rooms and hallways, you can create a cohesive look that ties everything together. Or a kitchen where strategically placed lights illuminate countertops and workspaces. In the kitchen, recessed lighting can provide the bright, focused light you need for cooking and food preparation, while also creating a warm, inviting atmosphere for dining and entertaining. With recessed lighting, the possibilities for creating ambiance and highlighting your home's best features are endless. Whether you're looking to create a cozy, intimate space or a bright, open one, recessed lighting can help you achieve your vision. It's a versatile, stylish, and practical lighting solution that can enhance any room in your home. Creating spaciousness, a trick of light. One of the most remarkable benefits of recessed lighting is its ability to make rooms feel larger. This is achieved by the way the light is distributed across the room, eliminating dark corners and creating a more uniform brightness. The absence of bulky light fixtures hanging from the ceiling also contributes to a cleaner, more streamlined look, which can make any space feel more open and airy. This is especially valuable in today's world where open-concept living is highly sought after. Open-concept designs benefit greatly from recessed lighting because it helps to maintain the flow of the space without visual interruptions. The seamless integration of lighting into the ceiling allows for a more cohesive and expansive feel, making the entire area appear larger and more inviting. By casting light evenly across the ceiling, recessed fixtures minimize shadows and create an illusion of greater height. This effect is particularly beneficial in rooms with lower ceilings, where traditional lighting fixtures might make the space feel more cramped. The even distribution of light helps to draw the eye upward, enhancing the perception of height and openness. This effect is particularly noticeable in rooms with lower ceilings. In such spaces, every inch of perceived height can make a significant difference. Recessed lighting can transform a room that feels tight and confined into one that feels much more spacious and comfortable. The subtlety of recessed fixtures also means they don't draw attention to themselves, allowing the room's decor and architecture to shine. Smaller spaces, like bathrooms and hallways, also benefit greatly from recessed lighting. These areas often lack natural light and can feel particularly claustrophobic. Recessed lighting provides a practical solution by brightening these spaces without taking up valuable room. The result is a more pleasant and functional environment that feels less like a passageway and more like an integral part of the home. The increased brightness and sense of openness can make these areas feel less cramped and more welcoming. In bathrooms, recessed lighting can highlight key features like mirrors and vanities, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. In hallways, it can create a warm and inviting path through the home, making even the simplest of spaces feel thoughtfully designed. When it comes to maximizing space and creating a comfortable atmosphere, recessed lighting is an invaluable tool. Its ability to blend seamlessly into any design while providing ample light makes it a versatile choice for any room. Whether you're looking to enhance a small bathroom, a narrow hallway, or an expansive open-concept living area, recessed lighting can help you achieve a brighter, more spacious, and more inviting home. The practical side: planning your recessed lighting. Now let's talk practicality. Recessed lighting can transform a space, adding both style and functionality. However, to achieve the best results, careful planning is crucial. While the aesthetic appeal of recessed lighting is undeniable, proper planning is essential for maximizing its functionality. It's not just about where the lights go, but also about how they interact with the room's design and purpose. Before you start cutting holes in your ceiling, consider these key factors: the layout, the number of fixtures, and the spacing from walls. Each of these elements plays a significant role in the overall effectiveness of your lighting plan. Layout. The placement of your recessed lights will depend on the size and shape of the room, as well as its intended use. Think about how the room is used daily. Is it a space for relaxation, work, or entertainment? Each function may require a different lighting approach. For example, in a living room, you might opt for a grid pattern to provide overall illumination. This pattern ensures that light is evenly distributed across the room, reducing shadows and creating a welcoming atmosphere. In a kitchen, a combination of general and task lighting over work surfaces is ideal. Task lighting focuses on areas where specific activities occur, such as cooking or food preparation, ensuring that these tasks can be performed safely and efficiently. Number of fixtures. The number of recessed lights needed will vary depending on the size of the room and the desired light intensity. More fixtures may be required in larger rooms or spaces where brighter light is necessary. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 24 to 48 inches between fixtures. This spacing helps to ensure that the light is evenly distributed and that there are no dark spots in the room. Spacing from walls. Position your recessed lights approximately 1.5 to 2 feet away from walls to create a pleasing visual balance and ensure even light distribution. This spacing helps to avoid harsh shadows and highlights the room's architectural features. Additionally, consider incorporating dimmer switches or smart lighting controls. These allow you to adjust the light levels to suit different activities and moods, adding versatility to your lighting design. Finally, always consult with a professional electrician to ensure that your lighting plan is safe and up to code. Proper installation is key to achieving the desired effect and avoiding potential issues down the line. With thoughtful planning and careful execution, recessed lighting can enhance the beauty and functionality of any room in your home. So take your time, plan wisely, and enjoy the transformation. Finding the right light, lumens, and your needs. Choosing the right light bulbs for your recessed fixtures is crucial for achieving the desired ambiance and functionality. Instead of focusing solely on wattage, consider the lumens output. Lumens measure the actual brightness of a light bulb. Living spaces. For living rooms, dining rooms, and bedrooms, aim for a warm and inviting ambiance with bulbs in the 2700 to 3000 Kelvin range. Kitchens and bathrooms. For task-oriented spaces like kitchens and bathrooms, opt for brighter, cooler light bulbs in the 3000 to 4000 Kelvin range. The power of controlled dimmers for ambiance and savings. One of the best ways to enhance the versatility and energy efficiency of your recessed lighting is by installing dimmers. Dimmers allow you to adjust the light intensity to suit your mood and the occasion. Imagine creating a cozy atmosphere for a romantic dinner by dimming the lights in your dining room. Or imagine saving energy by dimming the lights in your living room when you're watching a movie. Dimmers give you ultimate control over your lighting, allowing you to set the perfect ambiance for any situation. Installation and beyond, the ROI of recessed lighting. While it's possible to install recessed lighting yourself, it's generally recommended to hire a qualified electrician, especially if you're unfamiliar with electrical work. The cost of installation will vary depending on factors such as the number of fixtures, the complexity of the wiring, and your location. Yes, there is an upfront cost associated with recessed lighting, but consider it an investment in your home's value, aesthetics, and energy efficiency. The long-term benefits far outweigh the initial expense. A timeless choice for modern living. In the world of interior design, trends come and go, but recessed lighting has stood the test of time, remaining a popular choice for its versatility, clean aesthetics, and ability to enhance any space. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, recessed lighting is a smart investment that adds value, style, and functionality. Conclusion. Recessed lighting, when done right, is like good architecture. It blends seamlessly into the background, enhancing the overall design without calling attention to itself. It's subtle, yet impactful, and that to me is the hallmark of a truly successful renovation.